In this short video, we'll see how to make a purchase in Rulex Community. Now I'll purchase a subscription to Rulex Academy. First, I'll click on the store icon and select what I want to purchase. I need to insert the email where I want to receive the product I've purchased. Then, I'll need to click Add to Cart and select Review and Checkout to complete the order. You need to sign up to Rulex Community to move forward with the purchase. I'm already a member, so I'll simply enter my credentials. I'll enter all the required billing information, then click Continue. Depending on where you're buying, the corresponding VAT will be added to the final price. Finally, I'll enter the required payment information and click Place Order and Pay to confirm. Remember to agree to terms and conditions. Once you've completed this process, you'll receive an email with everything you need to get started.